Jay, do you know how to charge the guest using an EDC machine?
I have seen you use it, but I do not know how to use it.
Let me tell you in this video. The full form of an EDC machine is electronic data capture. It is used for charging our guests who wish to pay through their credit or debit card. First off, before you swipe the card, make sure that the card has a working line or network connection. Then you take the card and swipe it. Depending on the model of the machine, you may also have a chip reader. If the card has a chip, always use the chip reader first as it is more secure. Then punch in the amount and press enter to confirm. Before you press enter, cross-check with the amount you wish to enter. Once the card is charged, you will get a receipt. Print out 2 copies and take the guest signature on the merchant copy.
Is that it? I thought it would be more complex.
No, using the EDC machine is very easy. And if you have any doubt, some machines have prompts after each step. If you have to void the card, follow the prompt by the machine. One very important thing to note is called batch close. Batch closing is done during every shift so that we can get paid by the bank on time.
This is very helpful. Thank you. If you work in a hotel or wish to work in one, you should go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We have a new video daily.
This channel is produced by clarifiedbetter.com. So do check out that site as well. All the links are given in the description box below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.